In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a custom report type. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the quick search box located on the left side of the screen. Click inside the search field and type Report Types. After the search results appear, continue by selecting Report Types from the list. After opening the Report Types page, continue by locating the button labeled New Custom Report Type. Click on this button to begin creating a new custom report type inside Salesforce. Once the creation page opens, continue by selecting the primary object for the report type. Review the available objects shown in the drop-down menu and choose the object you want to use as the main report source. After selecting the primary object, continue by filling in the required report type information shown on the screen. Enter the report type label, the report type name, the description, and the report category using the available fields provided on the page. Once the report type details have been entered, move to the deployment status section. In this area, Salesforce will provide different deployment options for the report type. If the custom report type still needs testing, continue by selecting In Development. During this stage, only users with permission to manage custom report types will be able to view the report type. If the report type is ready for regular users to access, continue by selecting Deployed instead. Review the selected deployment status before moving to the next section. After the deployment status has been selected, continue by clicking the Next button to move to the Object Relationship Setup page. On the next screen, continue by clicking the box located under the Primary Object. This section allows you to add related objects connected to the report type. After the object selection area opens, continue by selecting a secondary object from the available list. Salesforce will only display related objects that can be connected to the selected primary object. For each related child object added to the report type, continue by selecting whether parent records must contain a related child record in order to appear in the report results. Continue reviewing the available relationship options shown on the page and add additional child objects if needed. Salesforce allows up to 3 child objects to be connected to the custom report type. Once the object relationships and report settings have been configured, continue by clicking Save to complete the custom report type setup. If any section takes a few moments to load during the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing to the next step. Once the report type has been saved successfully, the process for creating a custom report type in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.